Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Learn some colors. This is white, blue, green, red, yellow, and the last one is black. These are the colors, kids. Today we are going to learn some sign of math. Okay, let's draw 4 circles. Let's start. Divide. This is the sign of divide which is used in our math. Plus. This is the sign of plus. Kids, this is plus. Minus. This is minus. And the last one is multiply. This is multiply. Let's start to color it. Blue color. Blue. What is this color, kids? Say blue. Yes, you are right, blue. This one, yellow. Which color is this, kids? Yes, yellow. This is yellow. Now, red. Which color is this, kids? This is red. Wow, look, wow. And the last one is green. This is green color, kids. Plus, minus, divide, multiply. These are the 4 sign, kids. Okay, bye. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.